Radio Flyer's Kid and Cargo Wagon is designed as a full-sized wagon for kids and cargo that folds compactly and offers maximum storage capacity. The versatile fold-away seats with seaters provide comfort riding for kids and have additional storage space underneath the seats. When hauling cargo, fold away the seats and the extra tall sides will provide maximum storage. With an easy one-hand fold, you can take or store the wagon anywhere. The UV canopy protects from the sun and can be stored in the rear storage pouch. The canopy poles retract into the wagon frame when not in use. The Dura Clean TM fabric can be easily wiped clean and features 2 front cup holders, plus a strap to hold the handle upright when not in use. Maximum weight capacity 150 pounds. For ages 1.5+ years. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fold-away seats. The Kid and Cargo Wagon with Canopy features a versatile fold-away seat. These seats offer 2 settings: upright for child seating or fold away for maximum storage. Number 2. Maximum storage. This is Radio Flyer's deepest folding wagon, which allows it to carry all your cargo needs and more. There is storage space underneath the seats when they are in the upright position and a rear storage pouch. Number 3. Folds for storage. Easy one-hand fold allows convenient storage. This wagon is portable and can be stored or taken anywhere. Number 4. Safe for kids. Radio Flyer wagons pass the ASTM F96313 toy safety standard. This wagon includes seat belts and a UV protection canopy to protect your little ones from the sun. Number 5. Specifications. Assembled product dimensions: 40.6 by 25.9 by 40.1. Recommended for kids 1.5+ years. Maximum weight capacity 150 pounds. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.